Tonight isn't just any old night. Hello. Tonight isn't just any old night. It's Lunar New Year's Eve. I think it's basically their version of Christmas and New Year's Eve rolled into one. So we're expecting loud music, bright lights and fireworks. Let's go. Right, this is Bui Vien Street or something like that. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. There's bright lights already, so I think we're in the right place. Let's go and have a look around. Still haven't mastered the art of walking, filming and drinking a beer, so we'll finish this and then we'll be on our way. What the hell's going on? When I said bright lights, I may have grossly misunderstated it. There's definitely a few. chaos. Just joking, it's always chaos here. We got to make it back to the hotel before midnight so we can watch the fireworks from an elevated position. Will we make it? Let's find out. Or will we die in traffic? I read something that says number 4 is quite dangerous at night to walk around on your own. Is it? Let's find out. I'm holding the camera and a beer. What's the worst that could happen? Probably not a lot, because there was police stood on the bridge when we walked past earlier on, so. What we're drinking, Saigon Gold. Beer in Vietnam is spelled B-I-A, which is simple enough, isn't it? It's beer. And we are back in the ghetto now. There's weird shit and trash everywhere. Nearly midnight. We're under pressure. We're not. That was a lie. I said it for the camera, but we're not. This guy's under pressure. We're probably going to make it back to the hotel with about 20 minutes to spare.
Hello.
What? You're on YouTube. Wave. Hey. Friendly people in Saigon. Passing over the bridge now. Happy New Year, boys.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. I don't quite know why the National Guard are on the bridge, but we'll roll with it. They seem happy enough, other than the guy that's asleep. We're in 7-Eleven. Which beer shall I buy? It doesn't matter what you say. This is like a month later and I'm just going to pick whatever I want anyway. Worst elevator ever.
Yeah. It's just you don't have patience much.
Okay, we're at the hotel pool now. If you're interested, I picked a La Rue Special. It's much better than the Saigon Gold I brought from the other shop. There's no one else here really, so we're second guessing a bit whether we'll see the fireworks. We've already heard some go off, so I think we're going to see some. I'll report back in a minute. It's about 10 minutes to midnight. See you there. Right, the fireworks are done. I've just been pushed in the swimming pool. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel adventures. That's goodbye from Saigon, goodbye from Vietnam, and I'll see you in Cambodia.